Today I'll tell you how to draw trees with a pen. Step 1. Take a pen. Step 2. Draw a tree. Just kidding. Let's go slowly through the process. The most important thing to understand is the level of detail we want to apply to a tree. The type of drawing we want to use for a tree depends on the scale. We abstract the trees that are more distant and apply more detail to the ones up front or the ones we want to emphasize. We usually get the best result when combining those different levels of abstraction in one drawing. Now let's look at 3 simple ways to draw trees with a pen. The first is to draw the habitus of the tree with the branches. We start with the trunk and the outline of the habitus and start spreading the branches. They split into smaller and smaller branches. It's important to reach all the way up to the outline with the small branches. This gives the tree a realistic look. This way of drawing is especially good for showing tree species, since they each have a different shape of growth. The second way is to draw a volume instead of the branches. It's useful when we want to emphasize the spatial quality of a tree. We draw the shape of the habitus. It's never a single shape, but consists of several smaller shapes. Often we can see some branches through the canopy. Drawing them makes the tree seem more realistic. In the end, I give a tree an oblique hedge to give it a feeling of volume. The final type of drawing is applying texture to a tree. I do this when texture is important or I want to add a lot of detail to a tree that is very near. I start by drawing the trunk and some basic branches, then start adding the texture of the leaves. I draw more of them where I want a tree to appear darker. These are some ways to draw trees with a pen. I will cover others in some of my future videos. I hope you liked this video and got some new ideas for drawing trees. To get it out to more people, I ask you to like and share the video. You can also find more of Lionscape's on Facebook page through the link below. Have fun drawing trees and see you guys next week.